In DocBits, there are two ways to extract tables from your documents. Let's take a look at both methods. The first and simplest option is AI table extraction. With this method, DocBits uses AI to automatically detect the table and extract all its content. To activate it, go to Settings, Document Processing, Classification, and Extraction. Scroll down to Table Extraction, then enable Table Extraction, AI Table Extraction. Below that, choose which AI model you want to use as the default for all suppliers. Hover over the info icon to see the token cost of each model. Once activated, every document you upload or restart will automatically have its table extracted by AI. The extracted table appears directly below the document. If the extraction isn't accurate enough, you can switch models for a specific supplier. Open more settings in the toolbar and choose one of the three models: Full, Fast, Turbo. You can also improve the results by using tags. Tags act like prompts that guide the AI on how you want the data extracted, and DocBits will apply that logic for all documents from that supplier. In most cases, AI table extraction provides excellent results. For even greater precision, you can use custom-trained table extraction. To open this mode, click Go to Table Extraction View at the bottom of the table toolbar. Here, you can manually train how the table should be detected and extracted, giving you full control over the extraction logic. If you need help during the training process, click the question mark in the top right corner to access the public documentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.